Today we will learn about changing the subject of a formula. Formula is an equation that describes how a quantity or variables are related to each other. Subject of the formula is a single term that appears only on the left-hand side of the equation. For example, the area of a circle of radius r is equals to a equals to pi r square. Here, we say a is the subject of the formula. To make a variable the subject of the formula, we need to rearrange the formula so that only the particular variable appears on the left-hand side of the formula. So this process is called changing the subject of the formula. We need to remember these two rules when handling equations to make a particular variable the subject of the formula. So, to remove any unwanted variables on either the left or right hand side of the formula, we need to undo them. So, if you see a plus operation, to undo, you need to minus. And if you see a minus operation, to undo, you need to plus. Similarly, for multiplication, division, square root, power of 2, cube root, and power of 3, to undo, you need to do its opposite. For the second rule, we must perform the same action on the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the formula. Let's try an example on changing the subject of a formula for cases involving addition and subtraction operation. For example 1, we want to make x the subject of the following formulas. For the first formula, we have x plus a equals to b. We notice that on the left side of the formula, we have an expression x plus a. To make x the subject of the formula, we need to remove a from the left side of the formula. To do this, we need to find the zero pair for a. Hence, using the first rule, to undo, we need to minus a on the left. Using the second rule, we need to perform the same action on the right. So, we need to also minus a on the right side of the formula. Therefore, for our workings, to make x the subject of the formula x plus a equals to b, we will have x plus a minus a on the left equals to b minus a on the right. And finally, we will have x equals to b minus a. And this is how we make x the subject of this formula. For the second formula, we have x minus a equals to b. Here, we notice that on the left side, we have an expression x minus a. To make x the subject of the formula, we need to remove minus a from the left. To do this, we need to find its zero pair. So using the first rule, to undo, we need to plus a on the left. Using the second rule, we need to perform the same action on the right. So we need to plus a as well on the right side of this formula. So therefore, for our workings, to make x the subject of the formula x minus a equals to b, we will have x minus a plus a on the left equals to b plus a on the right. So therefore, we will have x equals to b plus a. So this is how we make x the subject of this formula. Now that you have learned to change the subject of the formula for cases involving addition and subtraction operation, explain in your own words on the steps to do so in the spaces provided.